Hello, guys. I just said it twice. By technicality, at least. The lights are out. Great. Get up, put my glasses again. My first on saying here, not disappointing. Like that's the word to me. Definitely picks the best ones. So, I'm not really going to do college stuff. Oh. I don't know what this is about. Something about rowing a boat. Actually, I think it's about rowing a boat. Alright, let's do this. Skip. I don't care about introductions. So, it looks like a simple game. Yes, it's simple. Alright, that's one level. Next level. Oh. What the? I'm not the only one who saw that, right? I'm tired of this. Close the door. That's the Happy New Year's. Who are you? Doesn't matter. Where's the game? This is free. Tell me first. My grandson. It's me. Jonah? Is this you? Jonah? Jonah or Jonah? I don't know. Fooling no one. Fooling nobody. Oh, look at you. You're raining on. Oh, go away. Screw you. This guy. Think I'd fall for your scam tricks? Can't even start a good year without anybody messing with my mind. Poor guy. I'll finish the game you gifted tonight, Grandpa. Alright, let's continue. What are these ones? Huh. Cool. Oh, I should probably look at the little ones. Get this. What the? I got tiny about it. Okay, so you got area. Alright. Hold up. Winter Wonderland. Winter Wonderland. Winter Forest. Cave. Mountains. Huh. Anyway. Okay, I can't do the animal scene, right? Okay, well, that's that. I'm not risking that, honestly. I need to risk it. Alright, level 4. That is definitely risky. Too risky for me, honestly. But what the? Something the aliens thing, alright? Here's what the? Right, this device is already having a problem. What do I do? When did I put my recording tools? Alright. There we go. There we go. Let's go, boys. Please listen. Lionheart. What is Lionheart? Please, confront. Who are you? You told us. I made a mistake. And I'm sorry. Just tell me who you are. Promise me something. Don't finish the game. No, I can't. It's gifted by someone special. Learn the hard way then. Gosh, who even is this person? Anyways. Alright, let's finish this. Okay. 15 stars. 15. I only said 40. What the hell I said? Trying to see. Takers ran into a few errors. These players going well, Takers being fixed. Alright. I'm good. There we go. You did it. Anyways. You won. Yay. Specific. Alright. What? Alright. Defeated the monster. Alright, menu. Alright. What is this? Hello, Ming. That was quite a show, wasn't it? I love you, Grandpa, so much. You just had to win this game. This younger generation sounds so caring. Lend me your calling, your memory. He's dead. Alright, jerk. I don't have to rub it in. So unfortunate, I was the only witness. Hearing all this blood-boiling scream and agony, even in his death, he said something heartwarming about you. Last wish from him was him wanting to see you. Or for you to see him. The same thing, right? God. Uh-oh. Sincerely, Eugene Lee. Eugene Lee. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the first name right. Where are you hiding? Where are you hiding? What happened? Eh? Can't make any mistakes. No mistakes. No mistakes. Creepy guy who kept messaging me. Need to lock the entrance door ASAP. Yeah, let's do that. Alright. Where has he gone now? I have a bad feeling. Oh! What's this? Kitchen knife. Alright. What is that? I think it's over. So he went out the window. Maybe? What's in here? That tape. Someone must have mistaken it with mine. And this must have been some horrible prank. What do I even do now? Oh, I can hold it. Computer? I'm curious. Let's do it. Row your boat past buried. Welcome. What does that mean? 3 a.m. Wow. The Wide Web. Risky. Stuff. Oh. I'm not reading all that, by the way. Huh? Did I lock the... Could you stab me? I'm sorry, Grandpa. This is just too much. Huh? I'm confused. You were never there for me. Threw me away into someone's hands like I'm not your grandson. It hurts a lot finding the truth after years. Let's put that aside for now. Let me dial the hospital. I'm sure you'll be fine. But you're never hurting anyone I love ever again. Ever. The end. Goodbye, tenuous flute. Reality could be a massive lie waiting for you to discover. Can you explain everything possible to please? Eugene was taken to the hospital, suffering from a kidney stone. Unexpectedly,